Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rielle and I'm so glad you're here. It is Saturday and I'm getting ready to have a photo shoot in my apartment. My friend slash stylist slash creative director Bianca is coming over and we're gonna do a photo shoot. Bianca's here, so I'm gonna go downstairs and grab her, and I wanted to bring you guys along. So let me go grab Bianca and bring you guys along this photo shoot. So gifted it to you?
So I mean,
generous.
I give a lot of these in the folders, by the way, just in case. Should be this one here. I guess.
What do you think?
Now turn your head closer towards the wall, right there. Chin up a little bit more, right. Hold that really quick. I'm about to see if I can get up. 2, 1, and go.
Guys, I'm in
really
love with these earrings. So pretty.
Made a dress on the triggers. Yes. Couture. Let's
So
put the chart here.
I'm obsessed. She made this dress from a curtain, guys. What?
That's
a wrap.
This has been, what, 4 years since we got it? Well, almost 5 since we got a chance to work together.
And I love creating with B. Like, we always create iconic looks.
And also, I'm excited for this. Like, videography. Yes.
Well, follow me on Instagram so you guys will see these images. That's it for this little section of our shoot.
It's a wrap.
Come with me to Roots Cafe in Park Slope, Brooklyn. We are celebrating Isaac. His art is being showcased there, and I couldn't be prouder. If you live in Brooklyn, if you're in the New York area, definitely check out Roots Cafe. Besides Isaac, there were other talented artists exhibiting their work. There was a mix of different mediums. We have oil painting, digital art, and yeah, I think the theme was portraits. She was the artist of the artwork behind her there. I marinated some chicken overnight because I've been craving some yassa. So I marinated chicken overnight with just, I think, cilantro, parsley, onions, spices, garlic, ginger, a little bit of mustard. And I marinated that overnight and then fried the chicken. Yassa is a dish from West Africa, and it basically is just chicken cooked with a flavorful onion sauce. Hi friends, it is Tuesday. I'm gonna check the time right now. I think it's about 3 o'clock. I had class earlier today and now I wanna go on a run. It's 3:11, so yeah, I wanna go on a run. I wanna do my route to Prospect Park. It's been snowing and I have made the excuse of it snowing, so I'm not running, and I feel like the sidewalks look a little better. I've just been so scared to fall, and honestly I'm just like, yeah, I haven't ran in like 4 days and I miss it, but I'm also like, I just wish the conditions were better. But that's an excuse, right? So we are gonna try to find some pathways without snow because your girl don't want to slip and fall. How are you guys doing? I'm tired. School started for me. I have an upcoming math exam and math is just not my strong suit. So I'm just like feeling overwhelmed right now. But it's all good. It's all good. I just need to study. I haven't taken algebra in like years. I am 29 years old, so I'm going to college later in life. So I've been out of the game forever. So this is all like new to me. It's like I remember some things, but a lot of it is new and fresh. So I just feel like, this is hard, but I don't want to give up. Yeah, I want to go on this run and come back and probably just study, do some homework. Yeah, it's a chill day. It's really cloudy and gloomy, but I think this run is just gonna help me just take some energy out. Get out the house. Even though I just came back inside from going to school, but I just feel like I want to move my body and I want to run just because I want to stick with my running routine, and I would rather run outside than the treadmill. So let's go. We're gonna run like 9 miles to Prospect Park, a loop around the park, and back home. I'll see you guys when I get back. Good morning. It's very early. I'm about to go to the gym and get a workout in. So let's go. It's early. I gotta whisper. I'm kind of tired still. It's snowing outside, but no excuses. Let's go. Let go, let go, let go. I think I want to come back and go to sleep. I'm so tired. We had an exam. Wish me luck. It was math, and math is not my strongest subject, so I feel like I did okay. Maybe less than okay, so we'll see how I did. But I did not work out this morning because I wanted to give myself time to study, so I'm gonna work out at school today. Hello, my beautiful friends. I am back home from school, making myself some breakfast. I have some avocado toast, and I fried some eggs and tomatoes. I had a really good workout at school. That was my second time using the gym there, and honestly, it's not bad. Some of the machines are really old, but you just need a really quick workout. I made it work. I'm gonna have some breakfast, probably gonna do some laptop work, and then prep dinner, and then I'm gonna go to an art show tonight. The art show is at the Billie Holiday Theater, which is in Bed-Stuy. Isaac helped put it together, so I'm gonna go support, go look at some art, just get outside. It's been snowing and it's been gloomy here in New York, but honestly, I love that my routine and my schedule is forcing me to go out and forcing me to go to the city, forcing me to go outside. I feel like that's helping me get through this winter because it's just dark and gloomy, and I don't like that. I love the sun. But let me show you guys my breakfast. It looks so yummy. Hello, my friends. I am ready to get out of the house. We're about to leave. Go look at some art. We are heading to the Billie Holiday Theater. There's an exhibition there today, and the opening is tonight. And like I said earlier, my partner helped put it on, so I'm gonna go support. I'm gonna go also look at some art. So yeah, let's go.
This stop is Halsey Street and Marcy Avenue.
In each rotation, raising choruses and congregations, we gave flesh and blood to rhythm and time caught up in the riff and ride. We raised dynasties. Hova is bigger than that. Shiva, Satna, Hashem, and Jah are bigger than that. And Olodumare is all of that. God is bigger. God is fire. God is bigger than stress. Oh my God is bigger than death. God is bigger than losing a job. He is bigger than shame, bigger than guilt, much bigger than pain. God is very rich men, and very rich men also present that we take control of the ultimate will.
This is the organs right here. Hi, how are you?
Hi y'all, I am cozy. I am back home. The art show was wonderful. Zach and Hollis and the entire Billie Holiday team did an incredible job. Such a good show. Amazing performances, beautiful art, community, laughter, dancing. It was a good time. I'm glad I went even though I didn't want to go. I'm heating up dinner. It's delicious. Got some pasta.
This thing is.
Hi friends, it is Friday evening. I've been in classes all day. I just came home not too long ago and now I'm heading out and I'm gonna go to knitting/crocheting class. I have not seen my knitting instructor in so long. I'm excited, I miss her.
How long did you stay last? To the end?
No, we left at like 9 o'clock.
Oh. Did Sabrina see?
Yes.
I wanted, you know, but I was tired.
This is Roy. That's why I can't come.
Hey,
Men on many of the streets.
Yeah, look at the hat coming along. Fantastic.
Learning from the best, Miss Ramona.
This is the guy.
Don't make me blush,
This
please.
is the guy that he's.
Forget the time that she called me.
Yes,
Oh, I need to count the words. I need to count.
Count. Yeah, count.
We don't have to do any work. I'm booked up until then.
Take it.
No, but it doesn't make a difference.
Huh?
It's you.
I was like, wow. I was like, oh my goodness. But the wedding was nice. A little dip there. So turn it around to the back. That's how you know it's a back.
My first beanie.
It looks good. It looks good.
Guys.
Wow. I like this at the top too.
Aww.
I like the top. Yeah.
I
Instead of
love
just
it.
getting flat.